How many seconds does it take to take a deep breath? Breathe, you are alive. The infinite flow of water echoes nature's eternal rhythm, a symbol of continuous renewal and enduring essence. The invisible foundation of a majesty shaped by time, and yet untouched by it. It is itself timeless. This is a journey through nature's primordial beauty. The kind born before time, sustained by resilience, longevity, and the ongoing course of life itself. The 7 nature wonders are a tribute to the power and magnificence of our planet, a perfect connection between these wonders and our body and mind to achieve balance and lasting well-being. The capsule collection represents the ageless and powerful strength of nature. Discover the new finished product line, inspired by Synbioactive ingredients. Thanks to Synbalance's dedication to excellence, we tirelessly work to bring health and wellness into everyday life. A natural contribution to life, timeless, perpetual, and ethereal.